Welcome to Essential Tools for Sky Observation. Today, we'll explore the basic instruments that transform casual stargazing into an awe-inspiring journey. Whether you're a budding astronomer or simply curious about the cosmos, this video is for you. We'll show you how to enhance your view of the night sky, making celestial wonders accessible to everyone. The night sky holds endless mysteries and breathtaking beauty. From shimmering planets to distant galaxies, there's always something new to discover. And with the right tools, you can bring these wonders closer. We'll be covering 3 fundamental tools for observing the sky: your naked eye, binoculars, and telescopes. Each offers a unique perspective and allows you to explore the universe in different ways. Let's start with the most accessible and often underestimated tool: your naked eye. It's free, always available, and incredibly powerful for observing the vastness of the night sky. The naked eye offers incredible accessibility and a wide field of view. You can take in entire constellations, Milky Way, and even satellites without any equipment. With your naked eye, you can easily spot bright planets like Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. You can trace constellations, identify asterisms, and, if you're lucky, witness spectacular meteor showers. Next up are binoculars, a fantastic intermediate step between the naked eye and a telescope. They offer magnification without the complexity or cost of a full-fledged telescope. For stargazing, look for binoculars with larger objective lenses, typically 7x50 or 10x50. The first number indicates magnification, and the second is the diameter of the front lenses in millimeters. When choosing, prioritize aperture for light gathering. To use them effectively, find a stable position, brace your elbows, or even use a tripod for extended viewing sessions to minimize shake. Binoculars can reveal stunning details on the moon, resolve star clusters into individual stars, and even show you brighter nebulae like the Orion Nebula. They offer a magnified yet still wide field view. Finally, we have telescopes, the ultimate tool for deep sky observation. Telescopes gather significantly more light than binoculars, allowing you to see fainter and more distant objects. There are 3 main types of telescopes: refractors, which use lenses, reflectors, which use mirrors, and compound telescopes, which combine both. Each has its own strengths and ideal uses. Telescopes work by collecting and focusing light, bringing distant objects closer and making them appear brighter. The larger the aperture, the more light it gathers, and the more detail you can see. With a telescope, you can observe intricate details on planets, resolve distant galaxies, and marvel at the delicate structures of fainter nebulae. The universe truly opens up before your eyes. Beyond the main instruments, a few accessories can significantly enhance your observing experience and make your stargazing sessions more comfortable and productive. Star charts and astronomy apps are invaluable for navigating the night sky. They help you locate constellations, planets, and deep sky objects, guiding you to your targets with ease. A red light flashlight is crucial for preserving your night vision, as white light can ruin your dark adaptation. And don't forget comfortable seating. Stargazing can be a long, immersive experience. For those looking to capture the beauty of the cosmos, astrophotography allows you to photograph celestial objects. Even basic cameras can capture impressive wide-field shots of the Milky Way. We've covered the essential tools for sky observation, from your naked eye to powerful telescopes, and the accessories that make the experience even better. Remember, the naked eye offers broad views, binoculars provide magnified insights into closer objects, and telescopes unveil the fainter, more distant wonders of the universe. The universe is waiting for you. Pick your tool, step outside, and start your own incredible journey of discovery.